Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Annapolis, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance to or from Annapolis, Maryland will be comfortable with the right mover. Choosing the mover is straightforward if you stick with companies registered with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. This agency oversees all interstate movers like 3 movers. When you choose the mover, you also select the moving services you want and a few other optional services. Customers sometimes aren't sure what to do about moving insurance, which can be confusing. Every interstate move includes basic valuation, that's moving service, at no extra charge. But review this carefully when you're talking to the mover because that basic level doesn't offer much reimbursement if something goes wrong. Local moves come in a wide range of sizes, and most movers have a minimum charge, just as most other vendors do. When you compare estimates for your local mover in Annapolis, Maryland, be sure that you're looking for a moving company with a minimum that matches up well with your needs. If one company has a higher minimum but a lower hourly price, look at the overall cost when you're deciding. Also, be sure that the estimates you compare are similar in service level. So if one mover is charging for more hours but is including the service that you want, it may be worth it. 3 movers can help you decipher the estimates if you ask us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Annapolis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.